Pizza is my favorite food in the world. All right, first thing we're gonna do is start with our sauce, right? So we're gonna, we put some plum tomatoes through the mill. And
through the food mill.
Food mill, yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, all right? We're gonna put a little bit of garlic in there, because we like that. Oh, maybe a little too much, but never too much garlic.
There's no such
okay,
thing.
never too much garlic, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna put a pinch of sugar.
Pinch of sugar.
I'm a sweet guy, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yes,
It's a baker's secret. And then some Parmesan cheese.
Nice.
And then we're gonna stir this up. And you want to have like enough of a snap in the sauce, but you want to taste the tomato, right? Sometimes you over-doctor the sauce, and for me, it depends on the thickness of the dough. I do different sauces for different thicknesses of pizza.
Of the dough.
So now that we have that, now we're gonna take our dough ball, which we made here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of flour. Okay, now another thing that I learned is that you cannot do pizza with a rolling pin, okay? Right?
Uh-oh.
No, really, because what you do is you force all the air out, and when the pizza doesn't hit the stone or the pan, it doesn't rise the same. You want to have those great bubbles.
Want those pockets,
right?
those,
you want
those crispy bubbles.
Yep. Well, what you could do, too, is if you want to roll it out, let the dough sit out a little bit.
A little bit, right?
Because then it's going to proof and rise. And when you want to put your pizza dough in the oven, I like to try to put it at like a room temperature. Because if the pizza dough is very cold when it goes into the oven, you know, it's like baking bread. You need to get that initial rise, right?
Yeah, it seizes up on you. It's tougher.
And that's why I went into the pizza business, because being a baker, I know a lot about dough. I know a lot about all textures and temperatures and hydration.
No kidding, Cake Boss. Seriously.
I know. So I'm spreading my sauce on here, right? So what we're going to do is, because we're going to
And
top...
not too much. You don't want it to be too wet, right?
Exactly. And because we're going to top this after, we're going to par bake this a little bit.
Yep.
So that we get the crust. It's going to pop. It's going to have that texture.
Get it going.
And then we're going to top it. So
Okay, cool.
let me do a swappy. Okay, so we're gonna pop this guy in there. We're gonna go into there. I'm gonna put this guy back over here. And now that we got a beautiful pizza, it's right? Look. So you know you already got some crust. It's got its pop. It's ready to go. And now we're going to add some cheese, right?
You got mozz.
Put some mutts.
A little ricotta.
Put a little
You
bit
need a
of
spoon for the
meatball.
ricotta?
Yeah, I got a spoon.
Oh, you got one right there.
I got you. So we're gonna put some meatballs.
Meatballs.
You got it. So bada bing, bada boom. A little of the old sausage. Hey. Some pepperoni.
My gosh.
You know, bada bing, bada boom. I love the new pepperoni that cups up too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it gets so crispy.
Yeah.
So crispy.
So when you go to your pizzeria, if they don't get the one that
hot
cups,
peppers,
you know,
it's my favorite.
Yeah, nice. I'm gonna put a little ricotta.
Yeah, that's serious.
Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, and then we're gonna hit it with some parm and some mutts.
Nice.
All right. And that's a pizza, baby.
Beautiful.
And I'm gonna put this back in the oven,
Beautiful,
and we're gonna cook this.
Which one you going to, up or down?
We go up. That's fine.
Go up top.
You got it. So we'll put it right there. I'm gonna let that cook.